Students, today I am going to discuss production function. What is production function? I am going to discuss. This is day 2, okay, chapter 7 you are doing. What is production function? In previous video I already have discussed in day 1 video what is production. In this video you will understand what is production function. To try to understand the what is production function, okay, try to understand it. The production function is what? Production function, try to understand. I think you can see it very well. Very good. I think you can see it. A production functions shows the maximum quantity of a commodity. What? Maximum quantity of a commodity. It shows, okay, that can be produced per unit of time with the given amount of inputs. What is inputs? Land, labor and capital, okay, when the best production techniques available is used, okay. Try to understand the concept of production function. I am going to discuss it. Try to understand the concept. It means what? Production process involves the use of inputs, the use of input, clear, use of input or factor service to produce output. Try to understand with the help of examples, okay. Suppose you want to produce shoes, then what is required? You know, we require inputs. Which type of inputs? Land, labor and capital. If you want to produce shoes, shirts, okay, or you want to open a restaurant, then you require land, labor and capital, 3 things, okay. Or you want to produce shoes, okay, we require inputs such as shoe worker, leather, glue, shoe making machines, etc. Understand? Output thus is a function of unit. Clear? What is output? Land, this is our labor, capital, etc. The function relationship between inputs and output usually, refer to a production functions. Clear? Try to understand with the help of example. Try to understand. Suppose, I think you can see it very well. It means what? Suppose you will इन्वॉल्व, आप जितना इनपुट लगाएंगे जो है अपने बिजनेस में जो है, ठीक है, देन यू विल गेट आउटपुट. मोर इनपुट, मोर आउटपुट, okay. Less input in the business, then you will get less output. Input means what? Already I have told you. Input means land, labor and capital. Clear? Input means what? Then what is the production function? Try to understand. Q is equal to F, Q is equal to F, Q is equal to F. I think you can see it. Q is equal to F, Q is equal to F in bracket A, B, C, D dot 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 N. Clear? So, this is what is this? This is input. This process is input. Suppose you are producing input, then you will get output. This is output. Q is what? This is output. Okay, it means what? If you will, जितना आप बिजनेस में इनपुट लगाएंगे, if you will increase more input, then you will get more output. This is production functions. Clear? According to Charles, okay, according to Charles, who is Charles? Charles Koopmans was the Dutch American economist. According to economist Charles, he told that resources allocation interaction between inputs and output of production and the relation with economic efficiency and price. Clear? On today you knew what is production function. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to share and subscribe of this channel. Try to understand. I think you are unable to see it, that this is Q. Q is what? In output, and this is F, A, B, C, D, dot 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 N. This is output. Okay, from here to here, this is output, sorry, input, and Q is output. More input in the business, you will get more output. Less input in the business, you will get less output. This is Q, this is output, and this is input. Clear? Thanks for watching.